Okay, Dishant, come here. So Dishant, today our topic is science fact, and I am going to ask you some question based on science fact, and you will give the answer. So first question is for you. Which is the hotter than the surface of the sun?
Lightning.
Very good. And which animal cannot stick its tongue out?
Crocodile.
Okay, good. Now Tiksha. Tiksha bete, you will tell me what is the largest part of the brain
Cerebrum.
and what percentage of human brain is water?
80%.
Okay, very good. Now Raghav. Raghav bete, tell me plant that grow from stem,
Rose.
plant that grow from roots.
Carrot.
Okay, Gunjan. Gunjan, tell me vertebrae column is formed of dash bones. How many bones?
33.
Okay, and human beings has dash bone.
206.
Okay. Okay, Nakshita, come here. Nakshita, bete, tell me red blood cells are produced in.
Bone marrow.
Very good. Go. Okay, Arish, come here. So, beta Arish, your question is sound travels faster in water or air?
In water.
Okay. And how many hemoglobin molecules are in a healthy person?
6,000 millions.
Very good. Now Ritika. Ritika bete, tell me what is the most common element in Earth's crust?
Oxygen.
And how many times does human heart beat in one day?
1 lakh.
1 lakh times per day. Okay, very good. Now Pradyuman, come here. Pradyuman, tell me metal used in iPhone
Gold.
and longest human cell?
Ovum.
Okay, good. So Didi, today our topic is science fact, and I am going to ask some questions related to the science, and you will give the answer. So first question for you: we feel with our,
Skin.
we have sense organs.
5.
Okay, very good. Aradhya, the king of metal is,
My answer is gold.
and second question is for you: largest gland in human body.
My answer is liver.
Okay. Ayush, which vitamin is best for human eyes?
My answer is vitamin A.
Okay, very good. And second question is, which is the smallest planet?
Mercury.
Okay, go. Vedita. Beta Vedita, tell me which gas filled in balloons?
Helium.
Helium. And helium is the gas which filled in balloons, and balloons goes up to the air. And second question is, which planet is the largest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Okay. Now Raghu, come. Raghu, beta, tell me what is the smallest unit of our body?
Cell.
Smallest endocrine gland of body?
Pineal gland.
Very good. Bhavyanshu. Bhavyanshu, tell me, bete, who was the father of science?
Galileo Galilei.
Okay. Longest human cell?
Ovum.
Very good. Aradhya. Aradhya, tell me red blood cells are produced in
My answer is bone marrow.
bone marrow. And what is the good conductor of electricity?
My answer is iron.
Iron. Very good. So Chirag, bete, tell me pH value of pure water.
My answer is 7.
Which is the largest part of brain?
Cerebrum.
Cerebrum. Okay, very good. Okay, Lakshit, come here. So Lakshit, today our topic is science fact, and I am going to ask you some questions based on science fact, and you will give me the answer. So first question is for you. The human heart has how many chambers?
4 chamber.
Okay, very good. And plant make their food through a process called
Photosynthesis.
photosynthesis. Very good. Now Rishabh. Rishabh, tell me road must not be constructed through.
Forest.
Okay. And it is a greenhouse gas.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. Go. Now Aryan. Aryan, beta, tell me treatment given to the injured person is called.
First aid.
Yes, first aid. And many people bleed from the nose in which season?
Summer.
Yes, summer season. Now Simran. Simran, beta, tell me from which organ fish breathe through?
My answer is gills.
Yes, gills. And where does camel mostly found?
Desert.
Okay, very good. Mera beta, tell me conversion of water to a physical change.
My answer is eyes.
Okay. In a chemical change, what is formed?
My answer is new substance.
Yes, new substance is formed. Now Kaka. Kakapati, tell me the animal who lives in jungle.
Wild animal.
Now Aradhya. Aradhya, better tell me anemia is caused due to the deficiency of
Iron.
ORS stands for.
Oral rehydration solution.
Very good. Divya. Divya, better tell me the cerebellum contracts the movements of.
Muscles.
Okay, very good. Yash. Yes. Tell me dogs, cats and cows are example of.
Friendly animals.
Okay. The natural surrounding in which own animals live in.
Habitat.
Okay, Arushi. Arushi, tell me cough is caused by.
Virus.
Germs can be seen by a.
Microscope.
Okay, very good. Lovely. Lovely, tell me bete which gas used in fire extinguisher.
My answer is carbon dioxide.
Okay, CO2 and carbon dioxide. Which vitamin is best for human eyes?
My answer is vitamin A.
Okay, very good. Piyush. Piyush, bete tell me first organ transplanted in human.
Heart.
What is the smallest unit of body?
Cell.
Okay. Now once bete tell me name the liquid who conducts electricity.
Lemon juice.
How many types of charges?
2.
Name them.
Positive, negative.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Aryan, come here. So Aryan, today our topic is science fact and I am going to ask you some questions related to the science fact. So your first question is, what do you call the force that pulls objection towards the earth?
My answer is gravity.
Just gravity pulls the objects towards the earth. Now second question is, which layer of the atmosphere contain weather phenomena like cloud and rain?
Troposphere. My answer is troposphere.
Okay, go. Harshita. Harshita, better tell me which is the largest organ of the body?
My answer is skin.
Very good. Now second question is, which is the smallest unit of body?
My answer is cell.
Okay, go. Udit. Udit, tell me which vitamin is best for the human eye?
My answer is vitamin A.
And which is the largest internal organ of the body?
My answer is liver.
Okay, go. Very good. Divakar. Divakar, tell me which gas do living things need to breathe?
My answer is oxygen.
Okay, good. What is the boiling point of water?
My answer is 100 degrees Celsius.
Yes, 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water. Now Dipanshu. Dipanshu, tell me bete which is the outermost layer of the earth?
My answer is crust.
Okay. And how many colors are there in a rainbow?
My answer is 7.
Very good. Now Shiva. Shiva, tell me how many bones in a human body?
My answer is 206.
Yes, 206 bones are present in human body. Okay. Metal found in blood?
My answer is iron.
Yes, iron. Very good. Dev. Dev, better tell me which sense organ has smallest bone?
My answer is ear.
Yes. In ear, we have the smallest bone in our body. Second question is for you. How many fingers in our one hand?
My answer is 5.
Okay. Yug. Yug, tell me largest human cell.
My answer is ovum.
Ovum. Very good. And second question is for you. Which planets do not have moons?
My answer is Mercury and Venus.
Yes, Mercury and Venus. Now go. Chahat. Chahat, will tell me which animal does not make any sound?
My answer is giraffe.
Okay. And which animal smells with tongue?
My answer is snake.
Okay, very good. Go. Okay, Lavisha, come here. So Lavisha, today our topic is science fact and I am going to ask you some question based on science fact. So my first question is, largest planet in solar system?
My answer is Jupiter.
Okay, tell me, gas is used in refrigerator?
My answer is ammonia.
Ammonia. Very good. Now Ishika. Ishika, you will tell me which chemical is used to make raincoat?
My answer is polyvinyl chloride.
Or it is also called PVC. And who is the father of science?
Galileo Galilei.
Yes, very good. Galileo Galilei is also known as the father of science. Now Shivi. Shivi, you will tell me what is the smallest unit of life in human body?
My answer is cell.
Okay. Diamond made of which element?
My answer is carbon.
Yes, carbon. Kanika? Kanika, बेटे tell me largest artery in human body
My answer is aorta.
and smallest bone in body.
My answer is
Steeps.
steep.
Okay, very good. Priya, you will tell me which acid found in orange.
My answer is citric acid.
Very good. And rarest human blood group.
My answer is AB negative.
Okay, AB negative. Now Manvi. Manvi, tell me which metal found in blood
My answer is iron.
and largest gland in human body.
My answer is liver.
Okay, very good. Okay, Tarun, come here. So Tarun, tell me which gas is used in balloons to fly.
My answer is helium.
Yes, helium. Go. Abhi. Abhi, what do you call a scientist who studies rocks?
My answer is geologist.
And what is the phenomena for the twinkling of stars?
My answer is reflection of light.
Very good. Now Lucky. Lucky, tell me what do we call study of virus?
My answer is biology.
Okay. Ansh. Ansh, tell me what is the speed of sound in air?
My answer is 343 meter per second.
Very good. Gaurav, come here, bete. Gaurav, tell me which part of the brain contract, balance and coordination?
My answer is cerebellum.
What is the process by which caterpillar turn into butterflies called?
My answer is metamorphosis.
Okay, very good.